In this video, I will show how to use the power rule to differentiate a function. First of all, in order for us to be able to use the power rule, a function has to be written in power form. So that means it has to be written as x to some power. Our current function is not written in such a way, but can be easily written. So let's interpret the cube root of x as x to the power 1/3. 1 over x squared is x to the power -2, and 1 over 5th root of x cubed is x to the power -3/5. And once you write your function in power form, then it's very easy to use the power rule. So the derivative of this function will be 1/3 x to the power -2/3, or we can do it in steps. Plus -2 times x to the power -2 minus 1 plus -3/5 x to the power -3/5 minus 1. So the final answer will be 1/3 x to the power -2/3 minus 2x to the power -3 minus 3/5 x to the power -8/5.